Okay, so I just put in a bunch of water nipples, kind of a little setup I come up with. Got a regulator down to about 10 psi, and I've used pig feeders. And in order to train my rabbits, I've tapped and threaded all the water nipples, and I've put a screw in there with a jam nut, and I just tighten it down just enough to where it'll drip, and so the rabbits will eventually learn to go to it. So once I know that they're drinking out of it, then I'll just back the screws off where it's not a steady stream. So there's one. We'll see how, hopefully it works out pretty well. In between all the fittings, well, from water nipple to water nipple, I've used 1/2-inch PVC, and then from cage to cage I've used 1/2-inch PEX. So you can see the PEX fitting there, a little compression ring. Here's another water nipple. Another thing I like about these nipples are in the back of them you unscrew, and there's a little stainless filter on there. You pop it out, and then there's it's adjustable where you can control there's 3 little ports back there. You turn it, you can adjust how much water comes out or the flow rate. Right now it's on the medium setting with a real low pressure to the line. But here's kind of how I've looped it around from cage to cage. Goes around, made a little bridge back into this cage. Once wintertime hits, I'm going to set the system up where it'll recirculate, and I've bought an inline aquarium pump and an inline heater where I can heat the water and it'll constantly circulate in there, and I'm hoping that there's enough heat transfer from the water to the nipple that the nipple won't freeze up. If not, then I'll keep the water heated and I'll set them up to drip just like this. Okay, there it is.